So as part of my monthly reset routine, and a lot of my weekly routine is definitely a reset of the bathroom. I will do a really deep clean once a month, and then weekly just kind of do a swish and a little wipe down, but this just definitely needs a good reset. And then down here, just kind of go through some of my cabinet and supplies, see if there's anything that I need, can get rid of, throw away. So like these just needs to get all cleaned out. Here is my kind of like foundation drawer, makeup, a little bit of skincare that definitely needs a good clean out. And I need to get a better system with this. This is just driving me nuts having it out on my counter, and so I just want to make it a little bit more cleaner, simplified. Definitely need a good wipe down. I've got like, I don't know, my contacts out, so I definitely need to get everything out. I know I need to get some new shampoo and conditioner, so I'm putting that on my list of things to buy in the next week or so. So I am doing a good deep clean reset of the bathroom. This is something I really encourage doing. Doing a good deep clean of the toilet, shower, the underneath the cabinets, drawers, all of that. Usually you can get it done within about a good hour once you kind of have systems. My encouragement is definitely have labels if you can, whatever system works for you. Use a lot of bins. This all needs to be organized, things like that. So needs a good reset. So here we go. So what I like to do is get everything out of my bathroom. So basically these are all of my little cubbies that I have that are all labeled. Just anything that in any of the cabinets, the drawers, I'll just go ahead and take everything out. I'll wipe them all down, do a deep cleaning of them, and then scrub the toilet and the bathtub, and obviously this all needs to get cleaned up. And then what I will do is just go ahead and go through it, see if there's anything that can be thrown away, see if there's anything I'm not using, donate, or I don't know, really go through and simplify what I have in my bathroom, because sometimes it just all of a sudden just gets added back in piles into the bathroom. So I just really want to keep what I'm actually using in my bathroom. Okay, so I just cleaned and deep scrubbed the bathtub, the toilet, got all of my shampoos and stuff like that up there. I do need to replace some, like I said, some shampoo and conditioner, so I'm putting that on my list and my budget for replacement. Then I'm gonna go through this, kind of clean all of these drawers out, see if there's anything I'm not using. I don't know why I have two in these, but and one thing I always like to do once a month or even twice a month is a new toothbrush. Just kind of reset that, put new contacts in my drawer, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out and then reset it. Okay, so this is all cleaned out now, so then I can go ahead and just put in a fresh toothbrush, toothpaste, etc. Now time to clean this little tubby out. I don't know if I'm going to keep this all or not. I might replace it because, I don't know, it seems to always get stuck in my drawer. It kind of drives me nuts. So this is my kind of container for nail care. Oh my goodness, I don't know about you guys, but this is used to kind of like simplify what I can get rid of. I've got masks in here. So I'm going to just go through all of this and clean it out. Much better. I do need to go ahead and put in some nail polish remover, so I will put that on my grocery list for my new haul that I got to do for the new month of August. But this is a little bit better organized. I've got some cotton balls, just a few of my nail polishes. I don't hold on to a lot of nail polishes. I just have like a couple of my favorites, which actually I use. Let's see, these are my favorite is Essie. It's a gel, so that is one of my favorites. And then I always use also OPI. That's one of my favorites. And then these are just like the little filers and stuff like that, so much better. And this is the next bin. This is my hair product bin. Oh, what a mess. This needs to get cleaned out. So obviously I need to do a big hair supply haul. I'm out of like dry shampoo, so I'm gonna just dump everything out and see if anything I can throw away or that I need to get or add it to my August big haul. Okay, a little better. Got a few things out that were out, but a little bit better. Next is my beauty supplies. So I need to go through this. I know this I'm just gonna donate or get rid of. I don't use it. I don't even know what's in here, so I know I need to clean this out. All right, friends. The bathroom has been reset. So I'll just give you a quick little tour. I refilled, make sure the TP is all refilled. That's something I always try to do. Did a deep cleaning of the shower, all that. I've got some lavender oil right there, so sometimes I will put that in my bath. And then down here is just kind of cleaning supplies. These are from the dollar store, which I absolutely love because they're just really simple looking, but I just keep like cleaning bathroom supplies down here. Refilled the garbage can with a sack, and then down here got underneath all organized reset. So I've got towels in here, just like extra paper towels, sanitary stuff. Nail care is all organized now. Hair supplies is all organized. Beauty supplies down here or up here, and then just a little bit of my extra hair supplies. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna put up here yet. I still have some, I don't know, I'm thinking about it. And then up here, I do like having just a basket of items that are just like quick, easy to grab. For anyone who has ADHD or likes to have things kind of like just right in front of you, I do suggest, grab it like a cute little basket, and then just like, body lotions, just things like this, deodorant. I've got a little bit of skincare in here. And then right here, I've just got like a cute little bowl just with like soaps. And then I did scoop up this candle. It just smells so good. So I'm excited to just take baths and stuff like that with the candle. But yeah, that's just a little bit of a reset of the bathroom. It just feels so much better. I had cleaned all of the rugs, so the rugs are all nice and clean. But that is the bathroom before and after. Oh, it feels so nice to have a fresh, reset, clean, organized bathroom. So yeah, if this is something that you are looking for or want to do, set aside a good hour and a half, I would say. Just kind of go through everything's labeling is really, really helpful, especially if you do struggle with ADHD. Organization, labels is key. So you can make them, you can get them off Amazon. I did get mine off of Amazon. That's something. But anyways, guys, I hope this was really helpful. And if you're interested in where I got a lot of these items, most of it is on a budget or really inexpensive. That shower curtain is actually from Target. All of these mats are from Target. The bins I actually got off of Facebook Marketplace. The labels off of Amazon, like I mentioned before. These little baskets actually got just at Goodwill. That metal basket, I'm not quite sure, but all of the toiletry containers, things like that, those are all thrift stores. So if you're looking to reset, reorganize, definitely just check out your local thrift shops. I think that one was from Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe, because I really like that one because it has like the little hooks, so I did invest in that one. But yeah, everything is just really inexpensive, on a budget, and how I decorated. But I just like the real clean white coloring. It's just really refreshing. It's just really like a really calm type space to be able to get ready and take a bath or shower, etc. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.